Have you ever had an accident in your warehouse? Say maybe one of your employees crashed a forklift into one of your racks, or maybe one of the rack systems was not stable anymore and collapsed all by itself. These accidents happen every day all over the world, and they cost a lot of time handling, and obviously that costs a lot of money. Because what needs to happen now is someone has to create a list of all the products which may have been affected by the crashing rack, and they need to put in quantities and walk into the office with it, and someone has then to book out all the stocks from marketplaces, from ERP systems whatsoever. However, when you are using PULPO WMS as a solution, you have a quick fix for that issue, because what PULPO offers you is a quick way with a so-called stock correction to remove the stocks which are booked onto an entire position. So here's how it works. It's pretty simple. You just choose your set an entire position to 0 option. You go to that position and you scan it. Obviously, if the code is gone as well, you can also put in your position code manually. The system will give you an overview of all the product which has been stored on that position. And when you choose to set the entire position to 0, it will be a warning that if you continue, all these stocks will be removed. And obviously you would confirm that. And then if we go to the show info system and we would scan the position, what you can see is it is completely empty. So all stocks have been removed. We can also confirm that in the stock history app in the PULPO WMS web app. So if we see the stock history, you can clearly see that all these products have been removed based on our operation. And even better than that, if we now take one of these products and put them into Shopify, which is connected to our PULPO instance here, we can search for that product, and inside the product it will also tell us that let's say the adjustment history here, that the stock quantities have been removed. So here you see that the operation just now it is -71. So you just do basically one scan and all the stocks are adjusted automatically in Shopify. Now the stock is no longer on hand, so it cannot be in the marketplace or on the website anymore. And that's basically the most important step done. So these products are no longer sold to customers, and you cannot have issues here. Now that, let's say, you've fixed all that happens in the warehouse, you can very easily go the same way back. So you can just tell the system, all right, I fixed my racking and I now want to book my product back in. So you go to the stock correction, you choose the add stock option in this case, and now what you do is you say, all right, I want to scan my position, which may be the one that crashed initially, and now I just want to book in a product back onto that position. So I scan the barcode and it tells me, all right, how many do you want to add? Let's say one of the 71 units that was stored there is broken now, so we just book in 70, and we confirm that stock operation, and we successfully finished the stock check. We can go back to Shopify. We can just refresh the view of the inventory, and as you can see now, immediately the 70 units have been booked in. So you are basically ready to go. Everything is back on the homepage, and that's the easy way to handle with broken positions in the warehouse, crashes into the racks, and so on. And that helps you get back into a clear stock inventory handling right away. Thank you.